Good morning, students. Today we will be starting with a new chapter that is called as respiration in plants. We have already discussed about photosynthesis. Now we will be discussing about respiration. So now let us start with the chapter. Now respiration in plants. As we have already studied about the photosynthesis, in which we have seen that the carbohydrates are formed with the help of sunlight and carbon dioxide. Along with that, oxygen is released. Now, in case of respiration, this oxygen is actually used up in oxidizing the food which has been prepared in the process of photosynthesis to liberate energy. And energy is trapped in a form of ATP. So, as you can see on the screen, the diagram has been drawn. ये देखिए ऑक्सीजन it is taking and it is eliminating what? Carbon dioxide. Now oxygen is taken up by every part of the plant, whether it be root, stem or leaves. All the part of the plant require oxygen for the oxidation of food in order to liberate energy, and this energy is converted into a form which is called as ATP in the inner matrix, inner membrane of the mitochondria. So now let us start with the topic, and you can see this diagram also, which indicates that here the process of photosynthesis is taking place. You know the photosynthesis, it occurs in a cell organelle which is called as chloroplast. That is the why this diagram has been given here. Now in the process of photosynthesis, glucose and oxygen are formed. Now this glucose and oxygen is actually oxidized in the process called as respiration, and which requires oxygen. Cellular respiration takes place inside the cell in the mitochondria. In the mitochondria region, the substrates, after the food is digested, the substrates which are formed, they are actually converted into a form which is called as ATP. Now the byproduct of this process is liberation of carbon dioxide and water. Now let us talk about aerobic respiration. See, ये माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया है. माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया रीजन, सेल के अंदर जो माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया प्रेजेंट होता है, इस माइटोकॉन्ड्रियल रीजन के अंदर ये जो रीजन है जो आप देख रहे हैं, मैट्रिक्स ऑफ द माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया, यहाँ एक साइकिल चलती है जिसको हम बोलते हैं सिट्रिक एसिड साइकिल. सबसे पहले क्या होता है, साइटोप्लाज्म में, सेल के साइटोप्लाज्म में ग्लूकोज पायरुवेट में कन्वर्ट होता है इन अ प्रोसेस कॉल्ड एज ग्लाइकोलिसिस. नाउ पायरुवेट, it is converted into carbon dioxide and other substrate, and finally this is converted into a form called as ATP in the inner membrane of the mitochondria. The whole process regarding this we will be discussing in our next lectures which will come. This is just a general introduction of what we are going to do. Now a question arises. See, we have already spoken that plants do require oxygen. Now question arises whether plants breathe also or not. Now, do plants have a breathing organ like us? No, they do not have a breathing organ like us. We do have lungs for breathing purpose. But instead of that, plants have stomata and lenticels which are present on the outermost part of the plants. Now when the plants are non-green, a structure is present which is called as lenticels, and when the plants are green, the greener portion of the plants, they have stomata, so that exchange of gases can take place. But why they do not have a respiratory organ such as lungs which we have? Why plants do not have that kind of organ? The answer is like this. In case of animals, they require very high amount of oxygen, and that also in a very small interval of time. So diffusion of gases, or you can say the uptake of oxygen, should be very fast. This is not the case in case of plants. In case of plants, the living cells, they lie very close to the surface where high amount of oxygen is already present. Moreover, stomata or lenticels are present on the outer portion of the leaves and stems. So oxygen can, every cell can directly take oxygen. They do not require any special organ. In the innermost part of the plants, mostly the dead cells are present, dead tissues are present, and they do not require oxygen. So moreover, in case of plants, as I have already stated, the rate of diffusion should not be very high, unlike that of animals. So that is the reason why plants do not have any kind of organ which is responsible for breathing. So this reason I have already told you. Now these are the reasons already given. Each plant take care of its own gaseous exchange need. Root, stem and leaves respire at rates far lower than animals, and also when cell perform photosynthesis, there is already an availability of oxygen inside the cell. As you know that in the process of photosynthesis, oxygen is liberated. So small amount of oxygen is already present in the cell. So that is the reason why it does not require oxygen, especially during the daylight. Okay. Now these are the structures of the stomata which are present on the outer part of the plant. You can see this is the guard cell, and this is the stoma, the place at which the exchange of gases takes place. Okay, this structure resembles when the stoma is closed, and this structure resembles when the stomata is open. So when the stomata is closed, naturally there is no exchange of gases, and when the stomata is open, the exchange of gases takes place. Now let us talk about the homework assignment. What is respiration? It is a process in which the food is oxidized in order to liberate energy, and that energy is converted into form which is called as ATP. How it is different from photosynthesis? Photosynthesis, in that process, food is formed, moreover oxygen is formed. Here in respiration, oxygen is required and food is broken down, or you can say it is broken down to release energy. So there are two different things. Okay, what is cellular respiration? Respiration which takes place inside the cell, which is responsible for the production of ATP, is called as cellular respiration. What are respiratory substrate? The substrate which are used for the respiration purpose, they are called as respiratory substrate. In general, plant carbohydrates are respiratory substrates, even for in case of plants. Why plant lack respiratory organ? This I have already told you, that since all the plants cells, majority of the plant cells are located just outside the very near to the plant surface where oxygen is already available. Moreover, stomata and lenticels are also available on the outermost part of the plant, and moreover the rate of diffusion, the rate of exchange of gases in case of plant, the requirement is not very high, and in the photosynthesis process the oxygen is already formed and it is present in the cell, and that is the reason why plant do lack respiratory organ. I hope I have satisfied you. Now thank you very much.